If you see, I remove everything, and now it's empty. All this right here is going to be painted black. All this, I'm going to remove this before I paint it. All this right here is going to be removed. But I'm painting all this black. Right here in the front, if you see, I'm going to paint all this black too. Everything top, I'm going to paint the black. The size going to be black. Even though it doesn't need no paint, but I'm going to paint it at least. It looks much better. The tag, I'm going to cover it because I like the tag be showing. This is serial numbers of the computer. And, you know, and back here too, I'm going to paint all black. All black. If you notice, this computer is like brand new. Brand new. The metal looks new. This computer had never been used before. Probably was like for an office.